To turn on or off silent mode on the Redmi Note 14s, there are three ways to do this, and let me quickly show you how you can do this. The first way is you have to go into the settings, and you'll have to scroll down and go for the sound and vibration, and right here as you scroll down again, there is the sound options and the silent mode. You can turn on and off the silent mode with this switch right here. As you can see, you are being notified about it, that it is being toggled on and off. This is the first way. The second way is you can go for these quick settings right here, and there is the bell icon. You can simply tap on this bell icon, and as you can see, the silent mode is being on, and as you tap on this bell icon again, the silent mode will be off. So this is the second way to toggle on and off the silent mode. And the third way is you can simply press any of these volume buttons, and right here there will appear the slider with a couple of different buttons, with the buttons with the do not disturb, and there is the button with the bell, which will also toggle the silent mode on and off. And as you can see, you are being also notified about it, that is being all turned on and off. So these are these three ways to toggle on and off the silent mode.